today's gifting idea is actually something you can do as like a family gift. So when I was walking through Target with my mom the other day, I stumbled upon the Blockbuster party game, and this is from Big Potato, and it's only at Target. So far, it has 28 5-star reviews. So I think this is so much fun, especially if you grew up with Blockbuster. So I grew up with Blockbuster. So set back into the 1990s, bring back the golden era of video rentals with a movie game for teenagers and adults alike. Triple charades, Jeopardy, choose 3 classic films and race to describe, quote, and act them out for the rest of your team. Movie buzzer battle, challenge a player to head-to-head showdown and shout out as many movies as you can before time runs out. Perfect practice for Hollywood, kickstart your career in show business as you take on charades for 200 different movies. So this sounds so much fun, you guys. So it is, playing time is 15 minutes or more. It's 12 years and up, 4 to 12 players. So this is great for like family game nights. So it comes in the Blockbuster like movie case, and then it has the different cards for the different games. Head to head movie. So this is just so much fun. All right, you guys, so it is question of the day time. So if you want to be entered to win my huge holiday giveaway, then you need to go ahead and comment on the question of the day. And that question is, what is your all-time favorite song? And it's only $20. So if you wanted to do like a family like gifting, I think I'm actually going to pick this up and just gift it to my sister, because we were, 80s and 90s kids, and they love family games. And, all my nieces and nephews are over the age of 13 now, so this would be really fun for them. And it's $20, you guys. So I'm going to have this linked below if you guys want to give it a look. But I think that this is just so much fun, and you can't go wrong with a nostalgic game just like this. So I might actually have to put this on my Christmas list as well. In fact, I am putting this on my Christmas list, and I know someone else who would really have fun with this. So I'm going to go ahead and gift this to her as well, but I'm not going to say who it is, because then that would spoil the surprise now. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's gifting idea for day number 3 for a couponer's guide to gifting. So maybe cash in some of your Fetch Rewards points and get a $25 gift card, and then you have a family game for no cost to you. So I will talk to you guys in tomorrow's A Couponer's Guide to Gifting.